best thing about civil, if I could say anything, is the variety of occupations within the industry. I mean, most people think construction and civil, you think the labourers and a foreman. There's much more to that. On any site you might see 15 different companies, 50 different workers on that site doing different activities. You've got engineers, labourers, foremen, safety officers, geotechnical engineers, designers. You've got so many different on site that's doing different roles, so that's the best thing what I would encourage. And if you're one of those kids out there very active and it's hard to pay attention, you may find something like this more entertaining. If you're more of a hands-on person, if you like the wood tech, the metal tech at school, those kind of roles, this is definitely for you. Saying that though, if you're more the IT person and you like reporting, typing, reading, then the engineering side of things might be an avenue for you.
Well, I've been digging the dirt out the pits. I've been stacking sandbags on pallets. I've been concreting, framework for gutters, pulling the framework down for the drainage, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I feel like I've done a day's work as my first job. And by the end of this year-long traineeship, I would like to be in a grader or bulldozer, you know, something like that. Just something that's always got work. And yeah, I mean, that could be the best I could ask for.
Well, in the morning we all conduct a pre-shift briefing where the site manager will tell us everything that we need to do for the day. It could be anything from filling sandbags to traffic control, spotting diggers, concreting works, pretty much a lot of different things, yeah.
You just come in every day and maybe they'll put you with like an experienced worker or maybe even a leading hand, or you know, someone who's up and who knows what they're doing, and you work side by side with them.
Mostly laying pipe, dig some trenches and backfill and sand up and get a bit of building roads and a bit of everything. Straight from school, year 11, started year 11, I was in there for about 2 months and then straight into work, yeah. Or if you're into machines and heavy machinery, I would say it's a good job and it's just fun really, yeah.
On site, it could be anything from observing machines to just digging, maybe test pits, potholing, any task that needs to be done. They might get us, or they get us with a more experienced worker to help us do what we need to do. I can operate machines, but I loved it because I got to get out of bed early and start doing things like I get up, bam, straight into work. Like travel to site and it's straight into work. So that was the best thing ever.
Yeah, there's heaps of good people in the industry. All the older fellas, they're all helping out, and my site manager's a really good one. He's always helping, teaching me new things.
You learn a lot working with pipe layers as a labourer, then becoming the pipe layer and working with the excavator operators, and then vice versa, and then eventually when you know everyone's role rough enough, you can start to run the whole sort of job. Once you know everything, you can't do it without starting at the bottom though.
In the long run, probably would like to be an operator of some sort of plant. I've always liked them. But yeah, probably anything really, operator to a leading hand, running the job type thing. So yeah, that'd be good.
I wasn't always on these machines. I started off labouring, showed a good work ethic, and yeah, made me way to here. So it's a bit different every day. Maybe we're doing stormwater, or you know, constructing roads, or you know, getting everything ready just for people to come in and finish up. Say if we're doing maybe like curb and gutter or whatnot. Yeah, it's just a different experience every day. Being hands-on, yeah, it's a lot better than sitting in the classroom. I'll say that at least. Like say if you want to learn something or you don't know this, or you ask them, everyone will let you know. And yeah, I would say if you were like me and say school's not for you, you can feel school's not for you, then yeah, I'd definitely get out of school and you know, getting on site. It's a lot of fun, and you also learn a lot. It's hard work, but you know, you're not going to get an easy job. So yeah, and always looking forward to payday, so it's alright.
Civil's great.
Civil is great.